And then, okay, so like that was for you guys and for class, but these are for me. So let me show you what I got for me. For me, I got the general pencils, the colored ones. So when I'm using different colored inks, I can use these to do my shading and coloring if I want. I've not used them before, so I'm excited to give them a go. Sticker. Anything is possible, one stroke at a time. Now this is the one. I'm excited. All right. This is the Zentangle Kit Expanded. Ooh. We have our white pencil and tortillons, some packaging peanuts. In here, we have a white jelly roll, a micron 10, and a brown 01 or sepia. We'll see. That's exciting. We have a pencil sharpener and I think this is called an icosahedron die. Anyway, I haven't used one of those before. Let's see, what do we have in here? We have another pencil sharpener. Oh, so you can have one pencil sharpener for your white pencil and one for your graphite pencils. That makes sense. So we have that case. The tortillons and the pencil. Oh, 2 tortillons, 2 pencils. PN, I love a PN. And an 01. Yeah, these will all get a lot of use. Nice. Nice. I'll just set those right there. What do we have here? Oh, my Zentangle Kit Expanded. It tells me everything that's in the kit. Very cool. Zentangle Method and Introduction. Very cool. So it has some things to get you started if you haven't Zentangled before. I probably know how to do all that. And then this is the tile bag. Let's see what tiles they gave me. So I have bijous in white and gray. They really loaded this up. Squeeze them in here. 3.5 by 3.5 inch white Zentangle tiles. Oh, some Renaissance tiles. Nice. The Z tile, the 3 Z tiles. I've never drawn anything on those before. Oh, and now we have the 5 tiles in black, white, and Renaissance. Very cool. I have drawn on these at CZT training, but I guess I don't remember what I made. And what do we have here? More tiles. You can never have enough tiles. Ah, the Zendalas. We have black, gray, and white. So I have a little bit of everything. And black tiles. Oh my goodness, you can have a lot of fun with this kit. I went to put everything away and clean up, and I found that there was one more thing. There's the Legend of Zentangle book, and it has all these cool things in here that I can draw and fill up. So, oh my gosh, I'm going to be busy for a while. I'm so excited. Now I'm really finished. That, I think, is everything. If you think I missed anything, let me know, and I'll dig around for it. So yeah, this is the Zentangle Kit Expanded, and I got it because it has a little bit of everything that I can play around with. So thank you for enjoying with me, seeing what I unopened in my Zentangle delivery, and I can't wait for class next Saturday, where we're gonna break these supplies out and get them dirty. I'm Sherry Barrett, CZT 43. I teach Zentangle here in Knoxville, Tennessee. I hope to see you in a class soon.